What the fuss? New year, new stuff, a lot of the old as well. And first of all, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who subscribed, watched my channel. And yeah, I got my shop link to my channel, so as you may have seen, and there's stuff like this over there. And I hope to make more because I do have a degree in visual arts, so that would be fun in the future. But for now, you can find some designs over there. And if you want to support me and get yourself something cool like this, you can do that. And this is, I think I ordered this like 3 years ago, and it's actually really good quality. I of course did that myself. I ordered myself one to see if I can actually endorse these. And yeah, I can happily do that because the print has held up really well and the fabric is nice. All in all, I was really surprised and happy with the quality of these. So yeah, you can do that. And of course, then if you find my videos or whatever useful, you can now do the super chat thing. And then I do offer a membership also, but for now I gotta do another video about that and see what I gotta offer. So of course I'm still gonna be doing a lot of DIY stuff, guitar stuff, building pedals, hopefully streaming a bit more. Then, the plug-in stuff, things related to music, making music and so on. And I'm gonna be trying to make music myself a bit more this year too. So tutorials, all that stuff coming up. But then let's talk about all the new stuff I'm gonna be doing this year. And first of all, let's go and take a look at the desk behind me, and I'll show you what I got there. And this probably will be one of those things that membership will, so I'll have some videos for people who want to be a member of my channel. So yeah, but let's get into it. All right. So here we go. And I've had these in stash for quite a while. And I think now would be a good time to get on a build. And this is not new to me. I'm gonna show a picture here, or a few, about the first guitar I ever built. Came out great. And then I might have another one here as well. So there you go. But for these ones, it's gonna just be plain wood. I'm not gonna be doing, because of my allergies, any of the finishing work that requires lacquer or paints or any stuff like that. So it's gonna be just oil or wax on these. But yeah, this is what I had in mind. Maybe build one or two, and I'm gonna make my own tools, a few of those during the process. I will hopefully have a sponsor for this. If you want to get in touch, please do, and sponsor my build. But I'm gonna keep a lot of the content on the build free on my channel, so you'll get the general idea about how to build a guitar, what it requires, how much it costs, what kind of tools you need, and so on. But then for the members, I think I'm gonna be shooting a lot more material about the build, making your own tools, making stuff cheap, and so on my channel. So yeah, that's one thing. As we can see, I got these slabs already here, and yeah, they're glued together already, planed down, but there's a lot of stuff to be done. And I have also a piece of maple for another neck, so don't worry, I'm gonna be routing the truss rod cavity as well and all. And then I got a selection of fretboards. Yeah, I mean, we got Edney, Baduke, I think, Paul Ferro over there, and so on. So we're gonna look at a few of those, see what I'll end up with. And yeah, I don't even know about the shape yet, so I might do actually something pretty custom. So just design the whole thing myself. I think that's the way I'm gonna go. And then we'll get to the other big project. So I'll wipe this clean and we're gonna have something else here. And I talked about this one last year also, so now would be the year to get to it. I think, I hope we can do that. So let's do that. This thing here. So if I'm gonna build myself a guitar, why not wind my own pickups as well? And I have done so before. This is my old machine. It works, but I just noticed it can be a lot better. So I'm gonna do a new case for it, get the controls, all the guides and so on. Just gonna make it a much better. What we have here is we got a turn counter. We got the option to change the rotation of that, where the pickup bobbin goes to, and then we got speed control. So that's all that you need basically in a pickup winder. And then I'm just gonna do that manually, although I might, but I doubt it. I'm just gonna keep this simple. I could do a little molder that would, do the what do you call it? Yeah, just move the wire back and forth so it would spread evenly on the bobbin. But no, I'm just gonna go for the hand wound experience with that. So yeah, this is another build that we're gonna be doing, and the insides are not pretty. I'm gonna be taking that apart. That's the first thing, and I'm gonna show you how to make yourself a pickup winder. And the funny thing is that it's actually using a Canon printer motor. The printer died, I'll say that. I smashed it with the hammer after it did, and then I got some parts out of it, and that's how I was like, oh well, could I do this with the motor? And then all the other parts is basically recycled plywood. On this, I did have to buy some things and then these little things on eBay, but the total cost is, I'll say, under 15 euros for me, and I'm gonna try and do it under 20, and the case will be a bit different and so on. But yeah, this is another fun build, so we're gonna be doing that. And I think I'll do free content on it, but also again for the members too. So yeah, and then we got this Teensy 4.1. If you've been checking my channel, you know that I managed to make myself a nice DIY MIDI controller that's right now on the rack. I got a prototype coming up, an easy to assemble circuit board, fabricated circuit board by JLC PCB. Nice parts provided by Theta, and I hope that goes well. And then if it does, it will be available for, well, if you want, you can then check out. I'll be sure to make a video about that on my channel. But yeah, I am going to be making a bit more complex one. I would like to make one with a motorized fader, and one that pretty much works like the solid stage channel strip control unit. I think it was called UC1 or something. So something along the lines of that, and the teensy is gonna be perfect for that. So basically my own controller for easier mixing. So, and then we're gonna get to that next. And this might also be something for the members to when I get the thing done and up to a point where I'm happy with it. You know, if you're a member, then I think the files, if you want to make your own, will be available for you. So, fun little project, and it should occupy my time, I think, because yeah, the last one did, and this one will be much more complex. So yeah, I'm excited to work with this. All right, and then let's get to the computer stuff. So yeah, that's for the DIY things and all the hands-on stuff. So let's talk about that stuff next and what will be new. All right. So first of all, I'm gonna be doing music in Studio One.
What's up with you?
And
Got a minute, I'd like to spend my time with you.
we're gonna be checking plugins,
But it's cool.
how I mix things,
Tired of pretending, hey, you're someone's fool too. It's a torture existence to have so much
some new stuff,
resistance. So get
and yeah,
up off your chair and throw your
just
hands
generally
in the air.
how to do things in your DAW and how to make music. And then I'm gonna be checking out Ableton as well, getting into the electronic department a bit more. And again, just checking out plugins, what can you do with them, and hopefully you'll learn with me. I'm gonna shut up for a moment now. So yeah, stuff like that, how I make my things, my style. And then I'm gonna check this old piece of, I'm not gonna say anything, but yeah, it's the industry standard. So if I'm gonna be going to a studio this year, which I think I might be doing, well, they're probably gonna have Pro Tools on there. So if you want to do the same, just come along with me and learn this thing a little bit. And then of course I'm gonna be doing stuff with pedals, making pedal ports, most likely. Gotta do a demo of my big one, of course. And then I'd like to do a bit more of guitar stuff, be it maintenance, actual guitar playing. So I'll be recreating some iconic sounds. I actually enjoyed doing that. And then I'm just gonna try and get my space a bit more cozy and also do some acoustic treatment. So yeah, we're doing a lot of stuff on the channel this year, and hopefully we'll see some finished projects, but sometimes things might take a while. You never know what comes up and so on. And then when you're like me and you do a lot of stuff, yeah, I mean, time sometimes is an issue. You can't get everything you want done, but I'm gonna try to. And like I said, guitar building, pickup winding, mixing, making music, all that kind of stuff. guitar stuff. I'm gonna try and do more of that, so the amplitube sound like some guitar playing tips and stuff like that also. And yeah, you just tag along. Always up for suggestions. So if you have anything to ask or you've been wondering about something, just let me know in the comments. I'll see what I can do. And yeah, I am off. You have fun. Rock on. And thanks for watching. And I hope to see you again on my next videos. And I am gonna get to my projects. Yeah, have fun. Rock on. I'm off. Bye.